Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss America's 5 best air conditioner of all time. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Winter 14,000 BTU Air Conditioner. Award-winning. Good Housekeeping's 2022 Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner provides powerful cooling over large areas, advanced self-evaporation. Dual hose operation. Cools up to a 500 square foot space. Ambient temperature and humidity may influence optimum performance. Easy to use and clean. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. Number 4. Midi 12,000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. 3-in-1 comfort. The Midi Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner unit has 3 modes to help your house, apartment, office, or room be as comfortable as possible. It can cool a space up to 550 feet quickly, circulate air with its 3-speed fan, or reduce humidity, utilizing the dehumidifier mode. Quiet and easy to use. This window AC unit is quieter than a household refrigerator. Number 3. Frigidaire 8000 British Thermal Units Air Conditioner. Multi-speed fan. Features 3 different fan speeds for more cooling flexibility. Programmable 24-hour on-off timer. Customized times to fit your schedule for immediate comfort when you get home. The built-in timer allows you to preset the unit to turn on and off in half-hour increments. Number 2. Serene Life SLACHT128 Portable Air Conditioner. The Serene Life Portable Air Conditioner system features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design, intended to be used in the bedroom, living room, or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability.Controller type remote control, built-in dehumidifier. You don't only get the cooling effect of the portable AC, but also helps reduce humidity levels, a huge financial and space saving. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Quiet and powerful. Our 8000 BTU ASHRAE compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms.